This is Primus Infant here, recording a video about how to multiply fractions. Fractions are quite an interesting thing to learn how to multiply. However, fractions really aren't that difficult and cause many students unnecessary trouble when they are doing mathematics. Multiplying fractions. In order to do it, simply multiply the two numerators together and the two denominators together, then simplify and reduce. So let's say I have the fraction 9 over, well, that's not a good example. Let's say I have the fraction 4 over 7, and I also have the fraction, say, 2 over 5, 4/7 by 2/5. So we have 4/7, 2/5. So in order to get 4/7 by 2/5, what we do is we multiply the 4 by the 2 together, and that gets us 8. Then we multiply the 5 by the 7 together, and that gets us 35. So our answer is 8/35. Now let's say we have a fraction that can be simplified. Then yeah, that where the result needs to be simplified. Let's say I have 6/18 and I have 9/18. Now, in order to find 6/18 by 9/18, first, we can simplify before we begin. To make the terms we're dealing with easier, we're going to divide both the numerator of 6/18 and the denominator from 6/18 to 1/3, both dividing by 6, and following suit by dividing both sides by 9 with 1/18. And now we have 1/3 by 1/2, which is 1/6, because 1 times 1 is 1, and 2 times 3 is 6. So your answer is 1/6. Now, it is still perfectly possible. It is possible to do something called cross simplifying. As you can see, I'm currently working on the problem 7/12 by 3/28. What I can do is, I can still divide the numerator of one fraction by the denominator of the other. So I'm going to divide the numerator of this fraction by 7 to get 1, and the numerator of this fraction also by 7 to get 4. Then I'm going to divide the numerator of this fraction by 3 to get 1, and the numerator of this fraction to get 4. How nice. Now I have 1 times 1 which is 1, and 4 times 4, which is 16. And if you're wondering, yes, the actual answer is 1/16. Just to be sure, though. I just want to be sure, because I don't want anyone to get mad. 7/12 times. No, I want to multiply. Okay, it's not being very helpful. Alright, I hope this section calculator works. 3/28 times 7/12 and 1/16. See? That's easy. That is how we achieve our goal, and we are indeed correct. So yes, that is how you use the cross division trick, so you can simplify fractions beforehand, or you can just use divide the numerator and denominator of the same number. Both going across and going straight down both work. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, please share it with your students or friends depending on what role you're in. Thank you, and subscribe.